1. Type of content, non-story. 2. Focus on explaining a computer's components and value for money. 3. i5-12400F is a budget-friendly CPU with excellent performance. 4. RTX 2060 provides good graphics performance for mid-range gaming. 5. 500W power supply ensures adequate power for all components. 6. 500GB SSD offers fast storage with moderate capacity. 7. This setup provides significant performance for its price range. 8. Ideal for gaming, content creation, and everyday tasks. 9. Balanced components ensure smooth operation and durability. 10. SSD speeds up boot times and applications.